In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete Snapchat app copy from your Android smartphone. Today I'm gonna use Samsung Galaxy S. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Basically, it is a helpful feature for us to have two Snapchat applications at the same installed time on our smartphone. We can basically use the copy of Snapchat to sign into another Snapchat account, however. If you don't need this feature anymore, then you need to first head or to settings. You can easily do so by typing up from your home screen, or you can just swipe down from the top to bring up this quick option. And that's where you can also find that gear, and we can use it to head over to settings. Now guys, we need here to scroll down until you find advanced features. And then, if you scroll down a bit, we'll find here Do Out Messenger. This is Android that allows us to sign into another account for some applications by creating their copy. Once we get in here, we'll find the list of those applications. And now here we can easily find Snapchat. And basically, to delete that second copy, we just need to tap right and here and the toggle next to Snapchat. Now it says that all data related to our second copy of Snapchat be deleted. However, you will still be able to use your main copy of Snapchat if you would like to keep updated. Check mark it, however. I'm just gonna hit Add on Style now, and as you can see, the copy has just been removed. It's been turned off actually, and it's gone from here and from there. App library as well. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button